My dear students, now I am going to explain electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. See, by combining with the standard hydrogen electrodes, electrode potentials of various electrodes can be measured. By combining with the She, electrode potentials of various electrodes can be measured. Some electrodes have negative SRP values, some electrodes have positive SRP values. After measurement of all the electrode potentials, they are arranged in a regular order. That arrangement is called electrochemical series. The arrangement of various electrodes in the decreasing order of their SRP values is called electrochemical series. The arrangement of various electrodes in the decreasing order of their SRP values, their standard reduction potential values, is called electrochemical series. See, for fluorine, electrode potential value, this E naught in volts. E naught means standard reduction potential value in volts, 2.87 volts. For hydrogen peroxide, 1.78. For hydrogen, 0. Hydrogen is reference element. She, for standard hydrogen electrodes, 0. For lithium ion, for Li plus, minus 3.05 volts. This is decreasing order. In some books, it is given like this: arrangement of various electrodes in the increasing order of their SRP values. That is also correct. There, first Li plus is given. Li plus electron gives rise to Li minus 3.05. Next, last fluorine is given 2.87. But in NCERT it is given like this. Better follow NCERT. But both are correct only. The arrangement of various electrodes in the decreasing order of their SRP values is called electrochemical series. See here, for fluorine, highest SRP value, F2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2F minus 2.87 volts. This reaction is called reduction reaction. F2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2F minus. Already we know that loss of electrons is oxidation and gain of electrons is reduction. This is gain of electrons. Gain of electrons is called reduction. For this reduction reaction, SRP value is highest, 2.87. That E naught value is 2.87 means plus 2.87 volts. This is reduction reaction. That means for fluorine, SRP value is highest, means fluorine has more tendency to gain the electrons. Fluorine has more tendency to gain the electrons. For the reduction of fluorine, SRP value is highest. That means fluorine is best oxidizing agent. We know that oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, reducing agent undergoes oxidation. This is reduction reaction. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Oxidation number of fluorine 0, 0 to minus 1. Decreasing of oxidation number is also called reduction. Gain of electrons. This is gain of electrons. Or decreasing of oxidation number is called reduction. Reduction of fluorine. So here fluorine undergoes reduction, but fluorine is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, reducing agent undergoes oxidation. So fluorine is best oxidizing agent. See, top to bottom, that SRP value decreases. For fluorine, highest value means fluorine is best oxidizing agent. So if we take lithium, Li plus, for Li plus electron gives rise to Li. E naught value, standard reduction potential value, minus 3.05 volts. Li plus electron Li. That means Li plus has least tendency to accept the electron. Li plus has least tendency to accept the electron, because for this reduction reaction, this is not reduction of lithium, reduction of Li plus. Li plus gains electrons and form lithium. For this least SRP value. That means Li plus has least tendency to gain the electrons. So fluorine is best oxidizing agent. Li plus is weakest oxidizing agent. Fluorine is best oxidizing agent. Li plus is weakest oxidizing agent. Li plus has least tendency to accept the electron. At the same time, lithium has more tendency to lose the electron. Li plus has least tendency to accept the electron, but lithium has more tendency to lose the electron. This lithium has more tendency to lose the electron. So here top to bottom SRP value decreases. As SRP value decreases, their oxidizing power also decreases. As SRP value decreases, oxidizing power also decreases. So here fluorine is best oxidizing agent, Li plus is weakest oxidizing agent. So next right hand side species F minus. This F minus is weakest reducing agent. Lithium is best reducing agent. This lithium has more tendency to accept the electrons. Lithium has more tendency to lose the electron. So lithium is best reducing agent. Lithium is best reducing agent. F minus. F minus is weakest reducing agent. See for left hand side species, left hand side means reactant side. Top to bottom as SRP value decreases, their oxidizing power decreases. Oxidizing power decreases. Fluorine is best oxidizing agent. After fluorine, hydrogen peroxide. Next permanganate ion. Next chlorine, dichromate, bromine, nitrate, Ag plus, Cu plus 2, H plus, like this. Top to bottom oxidizing power decreases for left hand side species. At the same time for right hand side species. For right hand side species, top to bottom reducing power increases. For right hand side species means F minus, H2O, Mn plus 2, Cl minus, last lithium is there. Lithium is best reducing agent. For left hand side species, top to bottom oxidizing power decreases. Oxidizing power decreases. For right hand side species, top to bottom reducing power increases. So this is best oxidizing agent. This is best oxidizing agent. This is weakest reducing agent. This lithium is best reducing agent. Lithium is best reducing agent. F minus is weakest reducing agent. After Li plus, before this Li plus, here K plus is there. K plus plus electron K, for this plus 2 point something is there. Plus 2 point something. So after Li plus, K plus, after lithium, potassium is best reducing agent. So right hand side species, this lithium is best reducing agent, not Li plus. After lithium, potassium is best reducing agent. So for this left hand side species, top to bottom oxidizing power decreases. For right hand side species, top to bottom reducing power increases. This is best reducing agent. This is weakest reducing agent. See here, no need to mug up exactly this order. First, fluorine. Fluorine is best oxidizing agent. Next, hydrogen peroxide and some oxoanions. Oxoanions like permanganate, dichromate, nitrate, sulfate. They are also good oxidizing agents. First, halogens and some oxoanions. See halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. These are the halogens. Above this hydrogen, for all these positive SRP value. For hydrogen, 0. For all these positive value. Halogens, hydrogen peroxide, and some oxoanions like permanganate, dichromate, nitrate, and some transition metal ions Ag plus, Cu plus 2. Next, below this H plus, below this hydrogen, some fourth A group elements, tin, lead. See here, tin, lead. Next, here also so many are there. Aluminium, second A group elements and first A group elements. No need to mug up exactly, but you should remember like this. Halogens and oxoanions are above the hydrogen. Halogens and oxoanions are above the hydrogen. For those, SRP value is positive. For hydrogen, 0. Next, below hydrogen, lead, tin, these are fourth group elements. Aluminium and some transition metals, cobalt, nickel, ferrous. tin, lead, some transition metals like cobalt, nickel, ferrous, aluminum, secondary group elements and first group elements. Last, lithium. So lithium is best reducing agent. See, applications of this electrochemical series. So we can predict which one is oxidizing agent, which one is reducing agent, and we can predict oxidizing power of various oxidizing agents, reducing power of various oxidizing agents, and we can predict a metal. We can predict whether a metal can displace or not other metal from its aqueous solution. We can predict whether a metal can displace we can predict whether a metal can displace other metal from its aqueous solution or not. See, metal having low SRP value, can displace other metal having high SRP value. Metal having low SRP value, can displace other metal from its aqueous solution. If you take zinc, for zinc SRP value, so E naught Zn plus 2 to Zn reduction reaction minus 0.76 volts. For zinc electrodes, SRP value is minus 0.76 volts. For copper electrodes, SRP value is plus 3.04 volts. A metal having low SRP value can displace other metal from its aqueous solution. For zinc electrode, minus 0.76. For copper electrode, plus 0.34. So zinc electrode has less SRP value. So zinc can displace copper from the aqueous solution of its salts. When zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, this zinc can displace copper from the aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Zinc sulfate plus copper. When zinc rod is dipped in aqueous copper sulfate solution, that zinc can displace copper. Zinc can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. Metal having low SRP value can displace other metal from its aqueous solution. So zinc can displace. Can we store the aqueous copper sulfate solution in zinc parts? Can we store aqueous copper sulfate solution in zinc parts? We cannot. Can we store aqueous copper sulfate solution in zinc parts? We cannot, because if copper sulfate solution is stored in zinc parts, that zinc metal displaces copper metal and forms zinc sulfate. So copper sulfate solution cannot be stored in zinc parts or zinc vessel. We can store zinc sulfate solution in copper parts. We can store zinc sulfate solution in copper plus zinc sulfate. Here no reaction, because copper cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Copper cannot displace, because for copper SRP value plus 0.34, but for zinc minus 0.76. Metal having low SRP value can displace other metal having higher SRP value. So for copper, its value is more, SRP value is more, so copper cannot displace. Copper plus AgNO3. Here copper can displace silver or not. Copper can displace silver metal or not? It can displace. See, because for copper, SRP value 0.34. For Ag plus 0.8. Copper can displace because for copper SRP value is less than silver. So copper can displace. Metal having low SRP value can displace other metal from its aqueous solution having higher SRP value. CuNO3 plus Ag. Copper can displace, but silver cannot displace copper from copper nitrate solution. Silver cannot displace. See, metals which are placed below this hydrogen, they have negative SRP values. They can displace hydrogen. Suppose, see, if we take zinc, for zinc minus 0.76, for hydrogen 0, for zinc minus 0.76, then zinc can displace hydrogen. Zn plus HCl gives rise to ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Zinc can displace hydrogen. From HCl or H2SO4 also we can take. Zinc can displace hydrogen or H plus ions from HCl or H2SO4. Even all these metals, not only zinc, lead, tin, some transition metals like ferrous, cobalt, nickel, next aluminum, secondary group pyramids and first group pyramids, they can displace. Potassium can also displace. K plus HCl gives rise to KCl plus H2 gas. KCl plus H2 gas. Potassium can displace H plus ions. All these metals, lead, tin, some transition metals like ferrous, cobalt, nickel, aluminum, secondary group pyramids and first group pyramids, they can displace because for those negative SRP value. Negative SRP value is there, so they can displace. But see, above the hydrogen, silver, copper metals are there, they cannot displace. See, Ag plus HCl, no reaction. Even copper also, Cu plus HCl, no reaction. Copper also cannot displace hydrogen from HCl or H2SO4. These are the applications of electrochemical series. So I'll give an example. Say, given that E naught values of Ag plus to Ag, K plus to K, Mg plus 2 to Mg and Cr plus 3 to Cr are 0.8, minus 2.93, minus 2.37 and minus 0.74 volts respectively. Therefore, the order for the reducing power of the metals is, for these electrodes, SRP values are given. All these are SRP values, reduction potential values, plus 2 to 0. Ag, if Ag plus gains 1 electron, Ag is formed. K plus gains electron, K is formed. Mg plus 2 gains electrons, magnesium is formed. Cr plus 3 to Cr. All these are SRP values. These are the SRP values. Therefore, the order for the reducing power of the metals is, already we know that SRP value least means it should be the best reducing agent. Here for lithium, Li plus 2 to Li plus electron Li. For this SRP value is least. Lithium is best reducing agent. So here among the given 4 electrodes, which one has the least SRP value? See, this is least value. This is for potassium. Greater than. Next to magnesium, greater than. Next, chromium, greater than silver. This is the reducing power order of these metals. Reducing power of these metals is, potassium is best reducing agent. After potassium, magnesium. Next, chromium. Next, silver. Here by mistake I wrote plus, but it should be minus 2 point something. So by using that values, we can determine that reducing power order or oxidizing power order.